we rolling? Oh, okay. The stars have aligned. Bust it down, little Taurus thotties, cause it's your birthday, bitch, and no one throws a party like you. I know you have a taste for the finer things in life, so make that money by putting yourself first. She's beauty and she's grace. She's getting this bread. Take on more responsibility and show people what you're really capable of. Grab the bull by the balls, bro. Brosif, broheme. Your career is going to pop off. For all the single bull babes, it's time to focus on self-love, if you know what I mean. Masturbate. If you're in a relationship, prepare for ups and downs. You're on your way up, and you're not sure if this is really your ride or die. The good news is, your friendships are stronger than ever. Start a new hobby together, and watch it grow. Earth signs, cool, dirt, flowers, grass, green stuff. Wait, can I say pegging in this one? Famous people. Jessica Alba. John Cena! Uma Thurman, badass bitch. Shirley Temple. Love Shirley Temples. Rami, how do you say it? Rami Malek? Malek? Rami Malek, my dick. And Wes fucking Anderson. Don't forget your pinky up. Not a Taurus troublemaker, but want to know what the stars have in store for you? Call me now.